Welcome to the Virginia Health Assessment Tool. This tutorial will describe how to create a health assessment for a locality, health district, or health region in Virginia. The health assessment process has 3 steps. Select your location, select your indicators, generate your report. First, we'll get started by selecting our location. We have several options, including selecting 1 or more localities, health districts, or health regions. Here, you can see by clicking the name of a locality, it adds the selection to your report area. You can select 1 or more counties to create a custom region or to get comparison information about nearby localities. Here, I have selected Bland County, Virginia as my report location. Now I'm ready to move to the second step. The Data Indicators button at the bottom of the location selection screen will take me to the next step. Now it's time to select indicators we want to include in our assessment for Bland County, Virginia. There are more than 50 indicators to choose from, spanning topics such as access to care, chronic conditions, maternal and child health, and substance use disorder. Indicators have been sourced from national secondary sources like the American Community Survey and CDC Wonder, but also include a robust set of indicators sourced directly from the offices at the Virginia Department of Health. To select individual indicators to add to your assessment, simply click the checkbox next to the indicator name. You can also select an entire category by clicking the checkbox next to the category name. Notice as you hover over indicators, a small I button illuminates. This button will provide you with additional data attributes, including the availability of supplemental data like race, age, gender, and ethnicity. The indicator pop-up also includes links back to the original source and release dates. Once you've made your final indicator selections, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Reports button to move on to the final step. In step 3, our system does the work. Watch your indicators for Bland County, Virginia populate in the indicator menu. Clicking on an indicator name in the menu allows you to quickly jump between indicators without having to scroll. You can open and close the indicator menu by clicking the X when it's open and the stack when it's closed. Now you're ready to explore your assessment. Indicators in the assessment include a description, a data table with health district, state, and national benchmarks, data source and release date information, and where available, an indicator dial, a map, and breakout information such as race, gender, ethnicity, and age. Some indicators also have trends over time available, which are visualized as line graphs. Visualizations available in the assessment are interactive and can be modified by clicking on the geography names. Once you've created a local health assessment that meets your needs, you can download it as a PDF, export the data to Excel, or create an editable Microsoft Word version. If you have questions about the health assessment tool or need help creating a health needs assessment, visit the support page for contact information.